Welcome to section 7.4, Addition and Subtraction of Rational Expressions. Two fundamental formulas that we will use when adding and subtracting fractions are the addition formula, where when we're adding a over b plus c over d, we cross multiply and add in the numerator so that it's AD plus BC, and we multiply denominators. So we have BD in the denominator. The formula for subtracting is similar. We cross multiply and subtract in the numerator, and we multiply denominators. So this gives us AD minus BC for the numerator, and B times D for the denominator. For example, suppose we wish to subtract 5 over x squared from 6 over x. We have a common factor of x in both denominators, which we may factor out. Factoring out the 1 over x, we have an x in the denominator, a 1 in the numerator, leaving us with 6 over 1 for the first term minus 5 over x for the second term. Now, using the formulas for subtraction, we cross multiply and subtract in the numerator, and we multiply denominators, giving us 6x minus 5 times 1 all over x, but this is equal to 6x minus 5 over x squared. Suppose we wish to subtract 2 over p minus 6 from the rational expression 3p plus 4 over p squared minus 10p plus 24. We begin by factoring the polynomials that we can factor out common factors. P squared minus 10p plus 24 factors as p minus 6 times p minus 4. The factor p minus 6 is already factored to give us p minus 6 in the denominator. Factoring out the common factor of p minus 6, this gives us 1 over p minus 6 times 3p plus 4 times p minus 4 minus 2. Then, using the subtracting formula, we cross multiply 3p plus 4 times 1 minus p minus 4 times 2 to give us p plus 12 over p minus 4 times 1 over p minus 6. Multiplying the rational expressions, just like multiplying fractions, we multiply numerators, we multiply denominators to give us a final answer of p plus 12 over p minus 6 times p minus 4. Now suppose we wish to subtract x over 2x squared plus 7x plus 3 minus 5 over 3x squared plus 7x minus 6. Factoring denominators, we see that 2x squared plus 7x plus 3 factors as x plus 3 times 2x plus 1. 3x squared plus 7x minus 6 factors as x plus 3 times 3x minus 2. Factoring out the common factor of x plus 3 in the denominator gives us 1 over x plus 3 times x over 2x plus 1 minus 5 over 3x minus 2. Continuing with the example, we use the subtraction formula to cross multiply x times 3x minus 2 minus 5 times 2x plus 1. Expanding each of these terms gives us 3x squared minus 12x minus 5 all over 2x plus 1 times 3x minus 2. Now, multiplying fractions gives us 3x squared minus 12x minus 5 in the numerator all over x plus 3 times 3x minus 2 times 2x plus 1 in the denominator.